Home and enjoy a snow day. If you have to get into work or hop on Metro, here's the latest. Crews are reminding riders that they will work very hard to limit disruptions, but there are bound to be some. More than 400 pieces of equipment will be dispatched to keep rail lines clear, and Metro is making use of its tunnels.
We're going to be storing trains inside, so we could fit about 60 train sets, give or take, inside the tunnels at all of our inside stations, and we'll be activating that very late Saturday night. We have our de-icer trains are already prepped and ready. Plow trains are ready.
That's Metro GM Randy Clarke speaking there. He also spoke to the bus service, saying that service could be limited on routes with hills and tight turns. That goes for Metro Access as well. Metro will focus on routes that serve critical destinations such as hospitals and grocery stores. Riders should check Metro's website often and social media pages for alerts and service updates. And of course, we will keep you informed as well.